The Ultimate Beginner's Guide to Intermittent Fasting. Intermittent fasting is the world's most popular health and fitness trend. People are using this special method to lose weight and improve their health. Many studies found that this powerful food pattern helps people to maintain their body, brain, and long life. It is also known as intermittent energy restriction, is any of various meal timing schedules that cycle between voluntary fasting and non-fasting over a given period. So this is our ultimate guide to intermittent fasting. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting introduces a specific eating pattern, which cycles between periods of eating and fasting. It doesn't have a specific food to eat, but it specifies when you should eat. Therefore, it is not a diet plan and more accurately described as an eating pattern. Intermittent fasting methods. There are several different ways to follow intermittent fasting. All of them split the day or time into eating and fasting periods. 1. The 16/8 method. It is also known as the Lean Gain Protocol. It involves restricting your daily eating period to 8 hours a day. Then your fasting period will stretch up to 16 hours. 2. The 5-2 diet method. In this method you can eat normally on 5 days, and you need to consume only 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days of the week. 3. Eat-Stop-Eat method. In this method you need to follow fasting for 24 hours, once or twice a week. Intermittent fasting as a very powerful weight loss tool. Weight loss is the most common reason for people to try intermittent fasting. Studies reveal that by making you eat fewer meals, intermittent fasting can lead to an automatic reduction in calorie intake. Therefore, intermittent fasting changes hormone levels to facilitate weight loss. In addition to lowering insulin and increasing growth hormone levels, it increases the release of the fat-burning hormone norepinephrine. Because of these changes in hormones, short-term fasting may increase your metabolic rate by 3.6 to 14%. By helping you eat fewer and burn more calories, intermittent fasting causes weight loss by changing both sides of the calorie equation. Studies further explain that intermittent fasting can be a very powerful weight loss tool. It found that this eating pattern can cause 3 to 8% weight loss over 3 to 24 weeks, which is a significant amount, compared to most weight loss studies. According to the same study, people also lost 4 to 7% of their waist circumference, indicating a significant loss of harmful belly fat that builds up around your organs and leads to many diseases. Another study showed that intermittent fasting causes less muscle loss than the more standard method of continuous calorie restriction. However, keep in mind that the main reason for its success is that intermittent fasting helps you eat fewer calories overall. If you binge and eat massive amounts during your eating periods, you may not lose any weight at all. Benefits of intermittent fasting. Helps to control your weight. Reduce insulin resistance. Enhance insulin sensitivity. When you fast, your cells initiate cellular repair process. Reduce inflammation. Enhance your heart health. Helps to prevent cancer. Intermittent fasting increase brain function. It may also protect against Alzheimer's disease. Ultimately, it can help to extend lifespan. Fasting tips. Do not forget to drink water. We recommend 1/2 ounce of water for every pound of body weight on regular non-fasting days and 1 ounce of water for every pound of body weight on fasting days. Water provides a sense of fullness and helps flush toxins from your system. Sip throughout the entire day. Stay busy. Believe it or not, scheduling your fasting days when your schedule is busy is a good strategy. Fasting is more mental than physical, so keeping your mind occupied and keeping your attention away from the thought of food is very helpful. Drink black coffee or green tea. If you normally drink coffee or any caffeinated products, it is highly recommended to have some black coffee or green tea on your fasting days. This will help prevent caffeine withdrawal headaches and will serve as a mild appetite suppressant. But remember to avoid sugar and artificial sweeteners. When you feel hunger, slowly drink a hot cup of coffee, green tea, or have a tall glass of water. Hunger doesn't last, it passes fairly quickly. Once you've finished your water, coffee or tea, your hunger will most likely have passed. Stick with it. There's an adjustment period with anything, and fasting is no different. It will take some time to become accustomed to fasting. Even if it's very difficult for you at first, it will get much easier with every passing day. Just hang in there, you will find fasting to be easy eventually. Eat healthfully on your non-fasting days. Do not use non-fasting days as an excuse to eat whatever you want. Choose your foods wisely. Choose whole nutritious foods and stay away from heavily processed foods such as cookies, candy, fried foods and junk food in general. If you have medical conditions including diabetes, problems with blood sugar regulation, low blood pressure, take medications, underweight, have a history of eating disorders, if you are a woman who is trying to conceive, if you are a woman with a history of amenorrhea, and if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, you should consult with your doctor before trying intermittent fasting. Hopefully this has provided you with a good understanding of the mechanics of intermittent fasting and encourages you to incorporate a plan of intermittent fasting into your lifestyle. It will take some willpower to get started, but it will soon come very naturally to you, and the benefits you are sure to experience are well worth the effort. Intermittent fasting is a great tool in your health and wellness toolbox, but to achieve optimal health you will need to follow a well-balanced plan. Sleep is very important, so be sure to get at least 8 hours per night. Be sure to take time each day to relax and reduce stress in your life as best as possible. And of course, exercise is very important. The body is designed to move every day, so be sure to create movement, even if it's simply running in place, taking the stairs or going for a relaxing walk with your best friend. Be sure to constantly experiment with new cuisines and recipes of healthy foods that you haven't tried before. Lastly, don't eat during your set time of fasting, and eat healthy, enjoyable foods during your time of eating, and be sure to take the time to enjoy every bite. If you feel good when fasting and find it to be a sustainable way of eating, it can be a very powerful tool to lose weight and improve your overall health. So start it today. Hit like and subscribe to Illnoize Club. Thanks for watching. We Illnoize Club.